Hi, Mark T. the Handyman here. Today we're going to assemble a BCP Kids Supermarket playset. Here is a picture of what we will be assembling today. We will break up our assembly process into 3 parts. First, the pantry assembly, then the counter assembly, and then finally the complete assembly. Here are the parts we will be using today. The parts come completely labeled, and I have organized them in a left to right order in which the assembly will take place. The tool you will need to use is included inside the product packaging, but you can use your own tools if needed. The first step for the pantry will be the Part D pantry foot, which will attach to the Part B pantry right side. We will use the Part 2 barrel and nut bolt set to secure the Part D pantry foot. Next, attach the 3 shelves to the first, second, and last slot on the pantry left side. The shelves fit into the slots and are secured with 3 Part 1 screws. Next, attach the pantry right side, Part B2, to the shelves and attach another Part D pantry foot to the bottom of the left side of the B2 pantry bottom, inside the designated slots. Now let's slide the Part A2 bottom pantry back to the bottom of the pantry back and attach the back panel using 3 Part 1 screws. Next, we will slide the Part A1 top pantry back to the top of the pantry back. Then attach the upper panel using 3 Part 1 screws. Now it's time to connect the Part F connection panel to the pantry with 2 A1 screws. Okay, time to move to the counter assembly. First, we will attach the Part I counter shelf front to the Part G counter shelf using 3 Part 1 screws. After that, we will attach both H counter shelves divider pieces using 4 Part 1 screws. Moving right along, we will be attaching Part K checker shelves to Part L checker shelf front using 2 Part 1 screws. After we connect those parts, we will repeat the process to the other Part K checker shelf. Next, attach the Part J counter back panel to both the checker shelves we just assembled with 4 Part 1 screws. Next, attach one of the counter shelf assemblies to the Part M1 and M2 counter sides with 4 Part 1 screws. Then repeat the process to attach the second shelf assembly. Next, attach the Part J counter back to the counter panel with 1 Part 1 screw. Next, attach the Part P countertop to the counter assembly with 4 Part 1 screws. Okay, get ready for the final steps to connect the checker shelf assembly to the Part F pantry connection panel with 4 Part 1 screws. Locate the Part Q conveyor belt and attach it using the Part 3 nut and bolt set. Next, we are going to install 2 Part N knobs with 2 Part 1 screws. Finally, we will attach the Part O counterfront panel to the counter assembly with 4 Part 1 screws. Okay, you've completed the assembly. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to comment. I sure do like to hear from you. Thanks for watching.